Confidently display your tablet anywhere with CTA Digital's heavy-duty security pull clamp for 7 to 14-inch tablets. The arm's tilting, rotating joint allows custom positioning and can be fixed in position with a folding clasp. The adjustable clamp uses powerful rubber grips and a rotary tightening mechanism to give you fast, easy setups on cylindrical objects like warehouse machinery, hospital bed rails, and wheelchairs. The clamp also adjusts to fit flat surfaces like desks, tables, and countertops. The slide adjustable tablet holder protects your tablet from theft with a powerful lock and key security mechanism. This holder tilts side to side and rotates a full 360 degrees to accommodate both portrait and landscape orientations. The arm also features clean interior cable routing for neat charging while in use. This mount is compatible with 7 to 14-inch tablets, including iPad mini, iPad Generation 6, iPad Pro 12.9, Galaxy Tab S3 9.7, and more.